This is a type of millipede found in the mountainous areas of Beijing. Due to its numerous legs, it is also known as the thousand-leg bug. Its body is composed of a series of shells, resembling a train. This species of millipede typically consists of 50-60 segments, with 2 legs on each segment, and a total of 200 legs on its body. Millipede has been living on Earth for over 400 million years, and has produced many subtypes. They do not actively attack humans, but when they encounter danger. Although it has so many legs, it can easily move forward or backward. They will spray toxic or foul-smelling liquids, so we still provoke them.